Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to get stock videos for free. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to get stock videos for free. Maybe because you are a video editor or producer and you're looking for a video content, and whenever you get something, it gets copyright, or maybe you have to purchase it. So you want to get something for free and you don't know how to do it. So don't worry, in this video I'll show you how easily you can get a lot of free stock videos. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. So first you have to make sure that you have already installed any kind of browser in your mobile phone, because we want to go to a website, therefore we have to get a browser in the mobile phone. After that, you just have to simply tap on the browser of your choice. Right now I'm going with a Google Chrome, but you can choose any other browser of your choice. Once a browser gets open, what you have to do is that you have to go to the search bar, and there you have to search for a website which name is MixKit. Its spelling are MIXKIT. With the help of that website, you can get access to wonderful videos which are free, and you can use them anywhere you want without getting worried about plagiarism. So this is the website. As you can see its name and its logo. You just have to simply click on it, and that's how this video will open. At the top you could see its logo, and you can see different things on the screen, like you can search for videos, you can search for different kind of art and stuff, and you can use it anywhere you want. So here we have the search icon or search bar. Here you have to search for a video by its topic, and the video will appear, and then you can use it. For example, if you're looking for a video which is a C video, then you have to type C. And if you're looking for something, then you have to type something related to it or its name in the search icon, and it will appear here. Also, make sure along with the search icon we have an option which is video. Make sure the video option is selected. If there's any other option, make sure you select the video. Once you type your topic, you have to click on the search icon, and the videos will pop up. There you can search for videos, and whatever you like, you just have to simply tap onto that video. Then you can watch that video, you can read its description and get to know about its available quality. So this is the video of the sea that I really like, and if I want to download it, what I'll do is that I'll just get back and click onto this option which says download. If you click on it, it will just take a while, and after that it will start downloading the video in your mobile phone, and after that you can post it anywhere you want. The downloading will be based on the internet speed or the quality or the size of the video. It may take a long time, or maybe it just take few seconds based on the speed of the internet and other stuff. And once the downloading starts and finishes, you will be easily able to view what you have just downloaded. Now you just have to go to your files, and there you will see this video. And here you can see the video has been downloaded in the mobile. The quality of the video is great. Now you can post it and can use it in your videos. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can get access to stock videos for free. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also, make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.